In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic credit card payments for your Bank of America account with ease. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those who want to ensure their credit card bills are paid on time, every time. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Bank of America online account. Head over to the website and enter your username and password to access your account. If you haven't set up online banking yet, you'll need to do that first before proceeding. Once you're in your account, navigate to the Bill Pay section. This is where you can manage payments for various bills, including your credit card. Finding this section is usually straightforward, and you can often find the link easily on your account dashboard. Now, locate the specific credit card you want to set up for automatic payments. You might have more than one card, so be sure to select the correct one. Once you identify the card, look for an option labeled Auto Pay next to it. Clicking this link will take you to the setup page. Next, you'll see an option that says Set up Auto Pay. Click on it and you'll be prompted with instructions to set up your payment based on an e-bill. This means your payments will be scheduled according to the electronic bill you receive each month, ensuring the right amount is deducted every time. At this stage, you'll need to choose your Pay From account. This is the account from which the credit card payment will be deducted. Be certain to select the correct source. Following that, specify the amount you'd like to pay. You can choose different payment methods such as the minimum payment, the full statement balance, or a custom amount. It's crucial to select what's best for your budgeting needs. Then, select the Deliver By date. This is the date by which you want your payment to be received by the credit card provider. Choosing the right date can help you avoid late fees and interest charges. Many opt for scheduling payment a few days prior to the due date as a precaution. Once you've chosen your account, the amount, and the payment date, it's time to set it all into motion. Click Start Sending Payments to finalize your setup. After doing so, you should receive a confirmation message reassuring you that your automatic credit card payments have been successfully scheduled. By following these simple steps, you've now successfully set up automatic payments for your Bank of America credit card. This not only saves you time, but also provides peace of mind knowing you'll never miss a payment. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Bank of America's customer service for additional support. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to keep an eye out for more helpful guides coming your way.